It's crunchy, spicy, really good. For the ingredients, you need onions, and then 5 cloves of garlic. You need kaffir lime leaves, and then little of lemongrass for the distinct Southeast Asian flavor. This is Indonesian flavor, and I prefer to use this big chili because big chili is not that strong, and the aroma is much better, much smooth and mild compared to the small chili or Thailand chili or birch chili. How do you call that? I should put some other powder like coriander, nutmeg, but since my blender cannot fit anymore, just put oil to liquefy the ingredients and then put in the blender. Once it is fine, then you can add the nutmeg powder. This is coriander powder, and then last, this is cumin powder. Put back in the blender again, and then at the same time you heat your pan as much as possible, non-stick pan, so it will not stick to the bottom of your pan. And then at around maybe 5 minutes after you smell the fragrance, then you can open your ground chicken. For 50 pieces of sambosa, it will take you like 1 kilo of ground chicken if you want fat juicy sambosa, but if you want thin sambosa, then you can put only half kilo. For me, I prefer the fat one, so you will enjoy it. You keep stirring for around 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Once you see this kind of consistency, it's a little bit dry, there is no more water in the bottom, then you can put black pepper powder, salt, and then last we put sugar, just to make it stronger, to make it better. As much as possible, avoid putting bechin, just put sugar instead of bechin. It will give you better taste. And then for filling of our sambosa leaves, first you break the 1 egg. This egg is only for sticking the edges of the wrapper only. You can use this way. You take 1 piece, do not take it all, just keep it stuck like that, and then you fold it into triangle, and then for the edges you dip in the egg, then it will stick. This is the second method. For me it's easier because our filling is loose. If you put like a mashed potato inside, then first method is much easier. And then once you finish everything, then what will you do? You heat your oil, just put in low to medium, not medium to low, but low to medium, because the filling is cooked, the wrapper is very thin and crunchy, so we do not want to burn. Just make it low, and then it will take just like less than 1 minute to cook one side. The other side will take you like 30 seconds. It will be done. It's really fast to cook, to fry. Once you see this kind of color, golden brown, then you flip it to the other side, then bring it out from the oil, and then you are ready for the next one, or you can eat while cooking. That is the best. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Really appreciate it. If you have some leftover skin, you can fry here as well. Now it's time to enjoy it. Let's try.
It's crunchy, spicy, really good. I have some leftover skin. You fry it, it became like a crackers. Mm. Mm. Perfect. The skin. Thank you.